Hello and welcome again to Excel Wizard. My name is Jay, and today we are going to learn the unique formula, which is a 365 version only. This formula is only going to work on Microsoft 365 product, not on any other version of Excel. Of course, it needs to be a paid version. Or you can also use it on Excel Online, which is a free provider for Excel. I mean, you can go on office.com and you can check out this formula will work on the online sheets. How this works is you can use unique within a list of items. All you have to do is select a particular range, and this is going to give a list of all the unique items. You can also use another function like transpose if you would like this to be sideways instead of vertical. That is the unique function. If you're looking out for any solution or you're stuck in Excel, you can go ahead and hire me for just $10. Click on the link in the description below. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye now.